Hey beauties, it's Jasmine Ashley here. How y'all feeling? I'm back with a video about the butterfly locks. As y'all can see from the title, it's basically super easy, super cheap, straight to the point, straightforward. As the video goes along, of course, I will be inserting clips of exactly how to get right into it if y'all want to see how I got these locks. And I'm also going to probably do a video on different ways to style it. Different ways you can style your locks. Yeah, let me see if I can turn around so y'all can see the back. So this time when I did my hair, I made them pretty full. Usually when I do them, I don't do them this full. I kind of just go in and just grab some hair, twist it around and just go. But I wanted them to be, like I said, I wanted them to be pretty full this time. And yeah, so this is what I got. So, all right, let's get right into it, y'all. So the hair that I ordered, as y'all can see from the title, I got them from Amazon, and it was pretty cheap. Again, I'm gonna leave the description. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. I am gonna try to insert a picture on either side. I'm gonna try to insert a picture of exactly how the hair look and everything like that. It's pretty much kind of like the free tress water wave hair, but with this hair you get, don't quote me, I think you get like 3 bundles for like $15. I used about, I want to say 7 to 8 bundles, so we're looking still under $50. So in each bundle, you can get up to at least, I think about, when I counted it out, I used 4 pieces of hair, as again, you'll see in the end of the video. I used 4 pieces of hair for each lock. And I was able to get, I think, at least 5 locks out of each pack. So it's pretty inexpensive. And the hair is great quality. Like, I have no complaints. The hair didn't tangle. The hair didn't, I didn't have to go, like, you know how sometimes you got to go ripping through the hair. I didn't have to do any of that. So, for that price and for what you get, perfect. Also, y'all, I got the, I'm going to go through, let me show y'all exactly what you want to need. I'm so upset, y'all, because I don't have any more of the hair, so I can show y'all exactly, you know, how everything looks. I don't have any more of the hair left. I used every single piece of the hair. So, let me see. So, the hair does come in, and I know y'all going to be upset. The hair does come in a big pack like this. And again, like I said, you're going to have enough to do at least 5. So, that means that's what? So, it's 20 pieces of hair that comes in one pack. Okay? So, 20 pieces of hair comes in one long pack, just like this. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of the free tress hair. And again, you will see all of the hair and everything in the clips coming next. You're going to need a wide tooth comb. You're going to need this to comb through the hair so you can puff it up. You're going to need a rat tail comb so you can part your hair. You're going to need, sorry y'all, you're going to need a crochet hook in order to be able to, you know, put the hair through. You're also going to need clips, any type of clips that you want to use. I like the big clips, but I don't, okay, I do have one right here. I use the big clips. I like those as well. Like I said, you'll see all of that in the video. I just wanted to go over all of that with you. That's pretty much it. And you are going to need some shining jam. This is what I like to use for my parts, you know, to go through and lay my hair down. I like to use shining jam, as well as I'll use this Africa's Miracle Chebe powder lemongrass hairdresser. So I use this because I am all natural. I use this like after I parted my hair, I will comb it out. And I actually will spray a little bit, of course, with my spray bottle. And then I also got this off of Amazon too. But I've been pretty much, I think everybody knows where to get a hair mister from. But I got this. And then I went in with the hairdresser. It's kind of like a grease. It smells good too. It's kind of the consistency of like a grease. I don't know, y'all probably can't see that, but just kind of something to, you know, moisturize, especially your ends while you have your hair, you know, up in the locks or whatever protective style that you like to use. And again, I like to use Africa's Miracle. I'm new to their brand. I know it's on Instagram, and it's supposed to, you know, aid in hair growth. Everything is all natural, and it says it's supposed to, it says usage: dry scalp, breakage, shedding, thinning, balding, etc. It says for moisture, thickness, and regrowth, apply to damp hair from root down hair shaft 2 to 3 times weekly. So, of course, I haven't been able to use it like I want to because my hair is up in the locks, but I do like this as well. Like, my hair feels nice and soft, and I'm able to like glide my fingers right through it. I'm trying to think what else. The locks, again, were pretty easy to do, weren't complicated at all. Again, I'm going to post exactly how I did it in a minute. So if y'all wanted to just see them up close, I don't use any type of glue, lighter, anything like that. I literally just tie it in a knot, and the hair is not going anywhere. You can do whatever you want to it. Put it up in a ponytail, take it out of a ponytail. As y'all can see, I have here, I have a little top knot. Like I said, I think I might do a separate video on a couple different styles you can do with this look, and they aren't long at all. They literally stop like a little past my collarbone, and that's how I wanted them. So if y'all are interested in how I got this look with my distressed butterfly locks, please keep on watching. Yeah, so I wanted to show y'all how I tie my hair up at night. Of course, if I didn't have this bun in my head, I would take my scarf, just a regular little silk scarf, got from the beauty supply store like some years ago. Just tie it around my edges. Even if I don't lay my edges, I still, like if I don't freshly lay my edges, I still just put my scarf around it like that. And then I'll take my bonnets, and I got this bonnet. If y'all want me to put this in the description box down below as well. I got this bonnet from Amazon, and I'll just take it and put that on my hair as well. Again, it's gonna look funny because I got this bun, but if I didn't have this bun, which I do take it down at night, I'll just end up putting it all over my hair like that, and that's how I will go to bed. Okay, and then of course in the morning I would just take it off, shake my hair out, and then I would take off there we go. So many things coming up, and I want to take y'all for the ride. So again, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Let me know what y'all think, and also follow me on Instagram. It's iamjasmineashley, and I'm gonna see y'all later.